Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brienne Gittins, and I'm a luxury streamer designer. Aspiring luxury streamer designer. Starting out right now, so watching this video, I think you know the topic pretty well. I am a recent graduate of fashion school. Yes, I have a fashion diploma. I'm so happy to get it. It's been a year and a couple of months. I was supposed to graduate in April, but I ended up graduating in August. So, not bad. Not bad. It's only 4 months delay because of COVID-19. So, I'm going to talk about my experience in fashion school. So, let's get started. So, fashion school was amazing. Like, just learning was like, it was just fun learning. It didn't feel like work. It felt like I came every day and I was just having fun, pretty much. But it definitely, the workload is definitely intense. It's like a full-time job. College is a full-time job. People need to realize that college is a full-time job because you're working on four to like 6 classes of work, and the workload is not easy. And to get good grades, you have to put in 100. You can't put 50 in because you're not gonna get too far if you don't put 50 in. So yeah, so college was definitely the learning experience was amazing. Did I like the fact that it was online? No, online was not amazing because I felt like with the online, you don't get your full money for online. You don't. I'm sorry to say that, you don't, because I'm like, you're losing experience inside the classroom you're not getting through online. I felt with online, you don't get the support you need. You know, you can send your teacher an email. I sent my teachers emails, but you don't get the response you want. And it's like, you're on your own. You're at home. You're isolated at home. You have to figure out yourself how to make this work. I did make it work because I finished. I had almost 3 semesters at home. I was only at George Brown College for 2 months and 2 weeks. And I thought I felt long. That felt like 4 months to me by itself. It was long. And then this announcement came that the school's gonna be closed for 2 weeks, and we've been home in quarantine. In Ontario, where I live, we had the longest lockdown in the world, apparently. So we were isolated for so long, and it was just lifted. Like, I don't even know. I feel like I still live in isolation, so I don't even know the difference anymore. Isolation. Yeah. So with the online, yeah. So I've been on online for a very long time. So I do know a lot about online. So the thing with online is I got to draft. That's one of the things about fashion you need to learn is how to draft, how to make your own patterns, how to make your own clothing. Starts with creating your own drafts. So I learned how to make drafts, pretty much all my drafts online. Yeah. So online, I had my desk here. This is where I did most of my work. So I had my desk here. I set up everything up. I did my drafts here, but I didn't get the opportunity to do full scale. I only did full scale in college twice. And I still have a lot to learn about full scale. Full scale is different than when you do a quarter scale. Quarter scale measurements are not the same as full scale, because full scale requires different measurements. And I'm still learning that. Yeah. So second year was all online, so we were like pushed online, and we didn't have construction to sew in class until fall of 2020, so we had to learn drafting all online. And it was kind of hard because you're drafting something you don't know how to construct. And I had 2 different teachers, and one teacher did a YouTube videos, and the other teacher did not do YouTube videos. She only did recordings, and the recordings were so hard to do. I just ended up doing my homework in class because I was just like, I can't learn like this. I did send the teacher emails. It's just same thing. Same thing with the emails. I wasn't getting the response that I needed. Yeah. So now we're in third semester. Third semester is early January 2021. So this year, it wasn't bad. I felt like I had a bit of a routine, I would say. With that semester, I made my coffee. I got prepped the night before, so I had all my stuff. But it's the same thing with the online. Same thing with online. It wasn't bad. It was actually more intense because I had 3 classes. 3 classes that were only 4 to 5 weeks. 4.5 weeks. So 4.5 weeks. So you're learning a whole course. I learned Adobe in 4 to 5 weeks, and then I had history costume 4 to 5 weeks. So we're learning a different history. We're learning a different period. We're learning 1,000 years in 1 week. It was a lot, but we did have it 3 days a week, which was so intense. And it was like 8 in the morning. So I'm having a lecture 8 in the morning, which I don't have travel time. So like I wake up like straight out of my bed, straight to class. Straight to class, and I'm trying to listen to the teacher while I'm dozing off. So that's an experience itself. And then final semester, which I just completed, was the same thing. I had two classes I struggled in. It was construction and pattern grading. Please don't ask me about pattern grading. I think I need to look at the textbook the teacher gave us and learn more. So that's what I did for third semester. That was actually not a bad semester because I got 2 days off. I got Tuesdays and Thursdays off, so I had more time to work on things, and it wasn't that intense because I had time. And then when I went back to construction, it was a lot of work because I had 3 other classes. Not 3 classes. I had 2 other classes to work on at the time. Yeah. So I'm just thinking back at it. I'm like, whoa, I survived online college. What intense. what intense experience, I would say. So I finished that. That was my experience on online college. I just summarized it, and I summarized like almost a year of college online in a couple of minutes. So online, not my favorite learning space. Does it save you money? Yes, you don't have to commute. Commuting is definitely is a struggle, but it's a struggle to commute. I don't like commuting, but I miss commuting because commuting was like the time where I had like an hour to myself to sit down, relax, work on my phone, prep some stuff. It was like my time to clean my phone off my photos. So I do miss commuting, and I love commuting now because of that. It'll always be a struggle, but like I appreciate commuting more than ever now. So I'm never gonna be that angry commuter after I leave anymore. Okay, let me stop that. So fashion school was worth the money. At the end of the day, I loved it. It was a beautiful experience. I learned so much. Like every day I was learning something new. I was improving on my skills, and I could catch my mistakes and change a different approach to what I was doing before. And it was kind of nice. The only thing I miss about fashion school is I don't have my teachers correcting my work anymore. I have to correct my own work, and I'm like, I can barely correct my own work. But I have the foundation to create anything. And I think it's so cool that I have the foundation and I can make anything that I want to make. I'm still going to go on Pinterest, which I love, and get some inspiration for drafting because I still have a long way to learn. And I'm going to take a year to develop my skills, learn more about fashion, and create things I want to make, and I'm going to fund it myself, and it's going to be fun. I don't have a portfolio. It's one thing I didn't have the opportunity to do in college, is create like this long portfolio. I don't have one, so I'm going to create my own. And also, the thing I do not have is like garments that I made. I only have like 3 garments that I made in school. full garments with fashion fabric and everything. So I don't really have much of that. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, not much. So yeah, so online school, do you get everything is worth in do you get everything that you need through online schooling? No, you don't. You don't get that physical labor that you need in the fashion industry with online fashion. I wish that I got that experience. I don't. I have to work here at home, and working from home is a bit difficult because I don't have access to the college. The college has big tables. They have this nice irons. They have those heavy duty industrial irons. I'm like, I don't have that. I just have like an Amazon iron I bought on Amazon. So to work on. So I loved fashion school. My takeaways is I love fashion school. I wish I didn't take it during COVID. I wish I took it years prior. I'm kicking myself in the foot for that. I wish I took college. I wish I went to George Brown earlier, because it was amazing. And now I have the foundation. I have to apply it myself. And it stings a little bit because I have to apply it myself. And I didn't really get any opportunities at the college, unfortunately. I'm definitely gonna use the college services to the best of my abilities as an alum now. So yeah, I think I've been like talking about fashion. I can talk about it all the time because I love fashion, and fashion school was the highlight of my life, actually. I would say career-wise. So thank you for watching. I think I've been babbling on for so long because I'm just so passionate about fashion, and online school was work. Work. The definition of that. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And yeah.